Welcome to Prince Invest Group, Oman branch, a gateway to opportunity and strategic growth, led by CEO Ambassador Danny Al-Ashkar. We specialize in high-level defense tenders, connecting Oman with world-class solutions and trusted international partnerships in the security and defense sector. We are committed to advancing tourism and medical tourism in Oman, creating unique opportunities for international visitors while enhancing the nation's healthcare and hospitality infrastructure. Our real estate projects focus on premium developments that reflect Oman's culture, modernity, and long-term investment potential. Prince Invest Group Oman branch stands as a crucial part of Prince Invest Group's vision for future. Founded by Ambassador Danny Al-Ashkar, with one goal and commitment: delivering excellence in every venture.